What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Dijs University. Welcome to the journey into native ads. Another video, another pace of tragic events. But we're not gonna give up because we still have almost $7,000 left. And with this $7,000, we're going to create great ClickBank campaigns. So we ran on Nativo with a whitelist in our last video. So I'm just going to Nativo, and it was the campaign I just paused. Ooh. Let me just search for it. I think it was this one. 700 in spent, 452. That might be correct. Let's see. Yes, this is the one. So we spent almost $800 and very disappointing results. Literally 0 conversions. This is by itself 170 clicks plus over 500 back button redirect clicks and not a single conversion, only one order for impression. So the proven offer is not proven. The proven offer, fucking garbage. Yeah. So we ran this offer on the marketplace and apparently waste of fucking time and money. I talked with their support. They were really friendly, I have to say. But this offer, although it's trending, so here it says 258. So either the back button redirect scripts are not triggering where they were before with other campaigns. So I ran a lot of research. Yeah, the big problem was, so now we have to find a new offer. The big problem being with research is high refunds, high chargebacks. The problem being with Lab Detox is crazy converting, also high refunds, high chargebacks. So you can see this is only from like old campaigns, 36% refund rate. I went to reporting. I did the entire year this year, and the average refund plus chargeback rate related to overall spend was around 11.5%, which basically means going into these campaigns with 30% ROI, you have to subtract average 11.5% and you know your net ROI. It is quite lower than I expected actually, because when I see the refund, chargeback, usually it happens when you stop a campaign, right? You make like 1K a day for 30 days and the chargeback come in 6 weeks later over a period of 6 weeks. So what I'm going to do, because I want to keep this campaign running and I can't really think of anything else, I'm going to push, I reckon, research in the back button redirect script. I push Lab Detox. So we keep the links clean. Again, I'm going to do the setup with Landerize, adjusting the landers so everything works properly. And we'll put this campaign back online. The exact same campaign, because I already have the creative information and it seems to be working quite well. However, we're going to push them to different offers. Looking at the landers, do we have a choice in the landers so far? I haven't looked at the data really. CTRs are quite low. I want to aim 40%, so they're not really hitting that at all. The highest one being 21% out of 50 clicks. So they need at least 100 clicks. And this one 15% really low, right? We're losing a lot of traffic on the landers. When we go to the app overview, so far what they've spent is quite high, especially probably the TMC one, which is the biggest spender. Yes, TMC twice on the biggest spenders. However, one having a 32%, this one is really poor. High ICTR, very low CTR. But obviously we need to work on our ads. I know from these very big sources, like for instance TMC, win rate of 10% over 61,000 impressions. These are almost quite capped already. We just need to reset the data. So I'm not going to look at this spend. We start as of today. I just turned it off a couple of hours ago, so there is some spend, right? Even one-time CPA. So I think we spent like 8 times CPA and the proven offer didn't convert, right? So we are going to make changes. And the first thing we're going to do is go into Landerize, grab the landers we are running. So we're going to go to the flow, which is no longer be called proven, but this will be called Nutra. No longer be called nativo in-app reset. Right, go with the flow. Just keep the lenders going. However, we're going to swap the offer. Going to remove this. And we're going to add an offer. Lepti Talks. Let me see if this campaign link is still good. Offer link. And it's still good. All right. So Lepti Talks global, all good, safe. Now what we have to do is adjust the lenders to, are we going to push, no, we're going to push research and then redirect to Lepti Talks. So this should be research. Alrighty. And that's Gucci. Now we need to just adjust the lenders. Okay, Gina 1312, which is which lender? It's not that nice not having done the names correctly. Healthy zone. I have to go into the bucket. So we start with 112, which is this one. We can just open it in a new tab. This lender. Ooh. Yeah. What will be easiest? Just to paste the redirect script directly into the HTML or to redo them in Lenderize? If the button is working, like last time, then it should be Gucci. Okay, this is not the right lender. I should give them the appropriate names though, that would be quite helpful. This is not published, so I'm going to delete this one, it's just confusing. Then it must be this one, yes. Okay, take the redirect script. And this is called Gina No. I want to see the folder. Okay, so this is the index HTML. I just need to change this name. How do I change this fucking name? Okay, wait. Gina dash. Okay, so it's Gina dash. Gina stripe. All right, there we go. And this was Gina. It doesn't matter which one it is, to be fair. We just need to change the names. So this one, rename Gina. Let's go with 5.1. So we don't get confused. Open it. Open the index HTML in brackets. We did put the script, didn't we? It will be quite messy to find it. Let's see where it is. Oh, it's right here. I'm fucking blind as fuck. Right here. Alright, so we just need to change this link. Right, go to Lepti Talks, promote, set B, generate hop link, copy, go to the S3, take this, replace this, done. Save. Has a unique name, very important. Going to the next one, rename 5.2. Take this, open the index HTML with brackets. In the middle of your fucking screen, take this link, replace it like so, bang. Save. Next. Once you get the hang of it, it's easy. Just need to make sure when we run the URLs that it's working, because it's not working, you might lose out on like 50-20% ROI, which is useful. Right, groovy. Let's upload. Right, healthy zone. Remove these bitches. There we go. Reduce this, drag it. 1, 2, 3, push. Upload. There we have our new links. Then we go to volume. This will be 5.1. Verify lender. Good. Save. Then we'll do this one. This will be 5.2. Because we want to collect fresh, juicy data. Fresh. Okay, remove this, put a 2. Verify. Gucci. Next one. 5.3. Remove the 2. 1, put a 3. Verify. Gucci. Save. Okay, just remove this. That's bothering me. I want it all to look the same because we have mad OCD. See? All groovy. So they all point to research, and on the back button it points to Laptop Talks, right? So the research offer is right here. Press save for the flow, and everything else can stay the same for now. Press save. Okay, now we go back to campaigns. So we go home, then we do campaigns, then we select today with traffic, which is this one. Then we take the copy URL, we go incognito, bang. This is our lander. Watch now. Takes us to research. Bang! We are on the lander. I click, I scroll, I go back. Boom! Laptop Talks! Let's go! And that's basically how it's done. This campaign is spending 1K a day, so today $700 to go. Let's see if we can bring in some conversions. Now it's just a waiting game. We're going to resume this campaign, so as soon as it's approved, which for my account usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, we can get started again. We have basically almost tested everything. Laptop Connect didn't work out, was taken down. I'm for sure going to test it when it comes back. Proven, fucking crap offer, over 200 clicks, did not convert. Kind of same what started with Laptop Connect, where we did 1 conversion before it was taken down, but still had high CPA spent. I've ran research big time. Last year I ran Laptop Talks big time, so I know these offers convert. We now are going to adjust the ads, adjust the lander, because I want to go into deep optimization. And before we can do that, we need to bring in some conversion data. So let's wait for that, let's hope for the best, and I'll see you guys in the next one.